Hello everyone, this is Ritika, and as in our previous video, we have looked into how to create tickets. So now we're gonna see how to review all your tickets which you have. Let's have a quick for creating a ticket, you just need to go into the CRM, go into the tickets module, go into the create ticket, and you can easily create a ticket. And here you can see all your tickets which you have, and let's review all my tickets. So here, as you can see the ticket name, you can see the pipeline, you can see the ticket status. If you want to change anything, just click over here. You can change like I want to change and waiting on contact. You can see the create date, priority, ticket owner, source, and last activity. To edit the columns, if you want to edit this columns, you want to erase something or add something, just click on edit column and you can always add it from here. Like I don't want to see the last activity date, just remove it from here. Or I want to see the ticket status on the top, so I can just go on the top. Yeah, so here you can see I click on apply, and here you can see I'm just seeing the ticket name and then the ticket status, so you can easily customize it. And let's review the tickets. So when you click into the tickets, same as leads and contacts, you can see all the notes, email, call, task, and everything. And then you can see the ticket description. You can see the owner, date, priority. Let's assume I want to add few things into this actions. I can always go into the settings. You can always do something into the top and do some things into the bottom. You can delete any column if you want. Like I want to delete the read source, and then you can save it. You can always change these things and customize accordingly. Also, you can see the timings, like it says open 6 minutes. And then here you can see the overview, and here you can see the activities, all the activities done under this ticket. You can always see that. Like you can see it is created on this date at this time, ticket status, waiting on contact, last activity date. You can also see the contacts, like whoever the person, the concerned person, you can always see here. Julia. Julia is a person, and what does she want? She wants, you can see the ticket summary. The ticket involves a customer request, and the customer is Julia, who want to add pictures to their websites with the subject labeled as pictures. There are no actional notes, calls, and conversation. You can also, what you can do is, if you are creating a ticket to add some pictures, you can also add and upload pictures here through into the notes. Like you can create a note, hey, these are the pictures you need to upload. If you want to add 50 pictures, 20 pictures, 10 pictures, you can just always add a note. And as you want to add some pictures, this ticket should be assigned to the IT team. And once the picture should be uploaded, IT team will update it as closed. When it is updated as closed, you can always know that this ticket is closed and the pictures has been uploaded. From here, you can see all the contacts module for this person. Like here, you can see all the email, phone number, contact. Here, you can see the company for her. You can see the deals. You can see the attachment, conversation. Like on this page, you can see everything. Like I just saw and I want to see a phone number. I can just always go from there, and here I can see the phone number. I can click on the call, and also if I don't want to go here, I can just make call from the tickets as well. I hope that works. Thank you.